To update the payment method for your Zendesk account, you must be listed as the account owner. First, open the product tray icon in the top right corner and click Admin Center. From Admin Center, click the Account tab on the left sidebar, navigate to Billing, and click Payment. From the Payment page, click Edit. On the Payment Method page, enter your new credit card and billing information. You can also use a PayPal account instead if you prefer. Once you have filled out all of the required fields, click Save. If there are any errors, the card will not be saved, and you will see an error message next to any fields that need to be updated. Update those fields with the correct information and click Save again to finish.